Welcome back. Now, what you may have done in order to set up your shop was just to do a listing in order to get your account open. What we're going to do is we're going to now go to this listing and we're going to deactivate it until we're really ready to start marketing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go either to edit our shop or to our shop manager. We'll now click edit our shop, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the listing area, and for now what we're going to do is we're going to select this entry and we're just going to deactivate this listing. Now Etsy will tell you what the parameters are for the deactivation, and it still does not affect your 4-month listing period. So when your 4-month period comes up, you'll still be due for the next fee if you choose to renew. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to deactivate this listing. Now that we've deactivated this listing, we're now going to go back to our home page. And you should now be in the settings area. One of the things that you can do to customize your shop is to make sure that you have a banner. And you're going to see that at the top. Etsy is encouraging you to create a banner in order to showcase your brand and listing. And we're going to click the add button. And what we're going to do is we're going to get some parameters on the banner style. Now there are some styles that are going to be available when you upgrade to the Plus listing. What we're going to do now is we're going to look at the banner styles. We can go with a big banner, and you'll see how that's going to look on both mobile and on desktop. You can also go with a mini banner. You'll see how that's going to look. You'll also see some of the parameters in terms of dimensions when you're going to create your image. You'll see that for the mini banner, the minimum image size is going to be 1200 by 160. With the big banner, it's going to be 1200 by 300 pixels. And what you'll see here is that Etsy is then asking you to add in an image. So once you choose which style you're going to use, what you're going to do is you're then going to create your banner. And what we're going to do now is we're going to create our big banner, and we're going to use the third-party program Canva in order to do it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.